Hey, so this is just a quick video to show you how to embed your YouTube videos in Canvas. I use Screencast-O-Matic, and so here I am on Screencast-O-Matic. I actually signed in and logged in a long time ago, but there is a free version. You don't have to actually have your own. It is free even if you did sign in, but when you are finished with your video and you go to publish it, you can either publish it directly to Screencast-O-Matic or you can publish it directly to YouTube. I have done both, and so you can see in Screencast-O-Matic, and I was just kind of experimenting with it since we've been doing this since March, but you can see I have some on Screencast-O-Matic, and then this is my actual YouTube channel. Who would have thought that I would have had a YouTube channel? But either way, when it is on YouTube anyway, I feel like it is a lot easier to embed into Canvas. And so what I do is I click on the actual video that I want to embed into Canvas. And I don't know where the embed code is on here. And so what I typically do over in the left-hand corner, I view it on YouTube. And then,
hello, and welcome back.
Hello, let me pause that. Sorry. So this is the video that I made and I published to YouTube, and I want to embed it into Canvas. So I'm going to go down here to where it says share, and I click on the embed. And then I'm just going to copy this embed code. I have no earthly idea what an embed code is. Please do not get me wrong. I am not, tech savvy by any means, but I'm going to go into, so I have this copied, right? So I'm going to go into Canvas. And whatever module, whatever page, whatever assignment it is that you want to put this YouTube video in, just, find it and then you just insert it. So I'm going to go find a page. I'm just randomly clicking through my modules. Here's one. So when I go to edit it, let's say I want to embed this video right here. Okay. I'm just going to click insert. I go down to where it says embed, and then I'm just going to hit Control V. This is the embed code that I had originally copied, right? And I hit submit, and there it is. It just shows up. I can save it, and there it is. I'm actually going to get rid of this here in just a hot second, but I wanted to show you as well, it does work for other videos. So I know I made this particular video. Let's say that you just go to YouTube and you're like, I just want a video on how to XYZ, right? So I looked up how to write equations of exponential functions. And so here's a video that I found. I don't know if it's a good video. I'm just making this up. We're going to pause it. So I totally made this up. I'm just looking. Again, I'm going to go to share. I'm going to click on where it says embed. I'm going to copy this. And then again, you can go right into your Canvas assignment page, module, wherever you want to put it. Click insert, embed, Control V, and it pastes that video right in. Okay. I hope that helps. And I hope that makes it somewhat easy on some of you.